I just don't want to end up somewhere that feels the same.
It's not the same, bro. It's different. It's an effect.
What effect?
An effect that makes a debate into a startup. Just like an open mic turns into a debate where robots are coded to shop from malls that were designed right here, where we fight diseases of the body and diseases of society alike. Where one trophy is lifted by all 27,000 of us. Everything is about creating an impact. From fashion to finance to filming to flying. Yes, flying. You're not just going to be taking lectures. You're going to be creating an impact, an effect.
The UMT Effect. Step into tomorrow today.